would shine, but it wasn't a match.
Hi guys, it's your girl Logan the Empress here, and I have a glamorous fantasy tutorial for you today. And if you want to see how I got this look, then make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching.
Alright guys, we're starting off with my Louise eyeshadow base, and it is in the shade Blue Ranger. And you can go in with a neutral eyeshadow base. I just thought for me, the blue would make this look that much more pigmented.
Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel.
Next, I'm starting with the Crayon Case, the matte book. I love the matte book, and all of the shades in this book, they blend so well, or in this palette. It's not like a book, but in this palette blends super well, and I always am excited to use this. So that shade that I started off with, I'm going to put that all over my lid, and this deep purple here, I'm just going to put that on my wing, and as I apply it to my wing, you'll see I'll start flicking it to the end of the wing, so it's blending in with that light turquoise and the purple. Now I'm going to go in with a deeper blue, and this deep blue, I'm going to mingle that with the purple, but I'm not going to put that on the outer V. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye and on the inner corner, oh Jesus Christ, on the inner corner of both sides of my eye, if that makes sense, but not to the outer V. All right, then I'm going in with the darkest turquoise, and I'm just putting that in the middle, and I'm blending it in a little bit also with the darkest blue.
Ice water turn Atlantic, night calling in a phantom. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it.
Okay, now let's start off with the NYX, not start off, but with my NYX glitter glue. I love this. It is affordable and it works. So, I mean, those two things go together. This is a shimmer. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I want to say. And it's really at the bottom of my makeup bag. Like, I know that sounds so bad. So I couldn't help you. It's just a turquoise shimmer if you wanted to just go to the store and get a turquoise shimmer. All right, I'm done with that. I'll be back after I finish my foundation. And so with that same turquoise that's at the center of my eye, I'm going to put that under my waterline. Now it's time to bejewel. And this pack, I got it from Walmart, and it's $1. You hear me? $1. I don't do I'm not going to spend a bunch of money on pretty much anything because your girl ain't got it like that. So Walmart is a great source for any of your costume jewelry because they have so many things like in their craft section. And I honestly spent $1, $2, and I've started making things myself. So I left this part in just so you can see the placement of where I put the jewels. I use the smallest size and the next to smallest size to get this look. All right, so now I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and make sure you brush off the excess before you use it. I used to not do that, and honey, my eyes were a clumpy mess. So tip to you, take some of the excess off. And I'm going in with the Crayon Case. This is the shade Coffee, and I'm using this for a basic lip liner. It is I'll say a cool brown, and I'm just using that to line my lips before I actually go in with the liquid lip P. All right, so lastly, why did I say that? I don't know why I said that. Okay, so let's get these lips done. I'm using the Crayon Case, and that is the shade Fair. I don't know why I didn't show you all, but that is the shade. So I'm just lining my lips, and I'm taking the applicator and trying to get like a perfect line, and I'm done with that part of it. Okay, so now we have Too Faced, and this lipstick is called Unicorn Tears. I'm not 100% sure they make it anymore, because I honestly I bought this like 2 years ago. I'm not 100%, but it is like just like ridiculous gorgeous blue shimmer. I mean, it is ridiculous. And I'm just going to keep applying this and melting this together. I use my fingers, and then I'm going to add a little bit more so that it doesn't look a hot mess, because it's looking a little iffy right now, but your girl has a process. Trust the process. I'm going in with this highlighter, and it is from the Crayon Case, and it's called Anglowa, and I didn't do anything to the light. I mean, it's literally, it shines me up to the gods, honey. And I am done. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If this video helps you, give me 2 thumbs up. All right, guys. Enjoy the show.
I hope that you all have enjoyed this tutorial. This is a shawl coat, whatever you make. I have made, honey, I am loving it, and she is going to be so extra. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.